Bummer, I need a toilet. I mean, I need a plumber. My toilet just went sideways. Oh, that happens. Okay, if you're a service provider, uh, you need to definitely talk to us. I'm Tom Sillis. I'm the CEO of Wecro.com. I know I put a lot of videos out there about not buying leads and not doing this, not doing that, but I'm here to give you advice. If you're a customer, obviously the way we operate is we basically have predefined services like installing a toilet, installing a faucet, whatever the case may be. You find your service, you pick it, you click on it, you'll see a list of appointments, you pick an appointment, you pay the whatever the price is that you find the best, the cheapest price if you want, for the same service, you book it, and that's it. You pay, 2 minutes, you're done, and it's out of your, you're done, you're finished. You don't have to wait for quotes. You don't have to talk to 20 plumbers to call you back, and they drive you nuts. You're trying to watch Monday Night Football, and the damn phone rings, and it's another plumber calling you. And he calls you like 2 weeks later. Come on, I already got the job done. You think I'm going to wait for you to install a toilet? My toilet's got to be replaced, Jack. Jack the plumber. Jack calls a week later. Come on, because he's buying leads the old-fashioned way. That's why, dummy. I hate to say that, but if you're doing that, you're dumb. You're dumb, and you deserve what you get. You're gonna pay $50 a lead. You're gonna get no business because you don't know what you're doing. I mean, the world has changed, man. Now everything is done on the fly. People find the service, they book it, they make an appointment, and they're done. Oh, that's our customers only because nobody else is doing that. We're the only ones doing that right now. I don't know why, and we've been very busy. I mean, we're getting leads from all over, from Home Depot, even Lowe's. I mean, I got people that work at these companies that are sending people to us because they know that we're doing the right thing. So if you're smart, you register with WACCRO.com. You get business through us, and you won't have to worry about it because we have a lot of customers that need you, and we're short of plumbers, and we need more plumbers. And if you're a customer, obviously we're getting more plumbers. You can join us. You can think of this as an ad, but if you ever buy a toilet and you're sitting there struggling to install it, why bother with it? It's not worth it. For $200, $230, we install it for you. It's all done. Your head is clear. You can go do other stuff. Maybe you run a YouTube business and you're making more money doing that. Why would you waste your money installing a toilet? Come on, you're making $1,000 an hour. So you gotta put your money where your mouth is, and you gotta do the right thing and make your life easier. If you're a customer, if you're a service provider, we got a lot of YouTubers out there, baby. You better come do their work because they're not gonna wait for you. They're not gonna wait for you to call back. They want to get done right away. They're gonna come on our site. They're gonna book it, and they're done. Thank you very much, Jack. Okay, have a great day. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and like our videos because we're not getting, you guys are not liking the videos fast enough. And I'm not going to put content. I'm not going to waste my time putting videos out if you're not watching them, if you're not clicking on them and liking them and doing all that. So, well, I'll probably still do that. We're going to be putting ads out very soon anyway. Amazon's going to spend over $50 million the next 6 months on ads for us because we're going to be bought out by them, any day now. We're in the midst of closing a deal with them. So, we're going to do things right, and I'll be running Amazon because they just don't know what they're doing, and I gotta straighten the herd out, if I take over. So, that's my plan. We're going to be more entrepreneurial. We got to do things the right way, the way the customers want it, not the way we think it should be done. You want fast service, and that's what we do. And and you as a plumber, you want to get leads that are bought. You don't want to be paying for. On the screen here. Sorry about that. Okay. So, thank you.